All right. Sea-Doo uses the ride plate as a heat sink, which it has, it has a closed loop cooling system. So you have engine coolant running through the engine, and then it runs through a circuit inside of the ride plate. And the water running over the surface of the ride plate cools off the engine coolant, regulates engine temperature, goes through the engine. Okay, great. Well, it was a big deal. Jim does a badass job modding the Sea-Doo plates as well. He does modify the Sea-Doo plates, but boy, is it, it's a chore. And a lot of people, here's the thing, is you can modify Sea-Doo plates. Jim's does it. And there is some great results out of it. There's really good results out of it. The problem is that you are now draining the system. You're now pulling the plate, having the plate modified, putting the plate back in, and praying to God that you've got everything sealed up nice. You run your coolant through there and you don't have any leaks. All right? And it's really hard to tell if you've got any leaks on a reinstalled Sea-Doo plate, because it's not going to leak inside of the engine compartment. It's going to leak out into the water, and basically you're just checking that fill bottle. And then you're going, where the hell is it leaking? So that's the other thing. Now, it used to be a big deal about 20 years ago. Not so much anymore. Was people were changing their Sea-Doos to an open loop system. And the benefit of going to an open loop system was not regarding cooling, but it was regarding ride plates. Ding, ding, ding. A lot of you guys were asking me, hey, should I go to an open loop kit for my Sea-Doo? I didn't get into it. Why didn't I get into it? Because I didn't want to get into the big Sea-Doo swap plate thing. I don't think Riva makes any plates for Sea-Doos. I checked their catalog. I might be wrong, but the guy who's making ride plates that I know for Sea-Doo is Georgi Kaza. All right. Georgi Kaza is making carbon fiber ride plates. Kaza, I believe, is still doing open loop cooling Sea-Doos ride plates. All right. And his stuff is obviously bananas. I mean, it's really, really top tier. All right. And it's handling. It's cornering. It's not top speed. It's not drag racing. I mean, I'm sure you pick up speed. Don't get me wrong. But Kaza is designing these things to boil water around buoys. Okay. And I really don't recommend the casual guy get into this. But if you got money burning a hole in your back pocket and you want to be the fastest dude on the water around some buoys, there's ways to do it. All right. And he's got some wild stuff for the RXPX. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.